about my hair.
He's teaching.
Michael, you don't like, you get mad about her hair?
Show her the back.
Michael, you get mad about her hair?
Let me show you that hair. Did you get a haircut?
What? It looks cute.
Okay. You want
What?
to see? Turn around. Did you get a haircut today?
What? So what happened? Can I hear the story?
That's hilarious. Did you get a haircut today?
No, I noticed that her hair has looked different. So what happened?
Michael, you want to tell her? I tell her so many times.
Can I hear the story,
She
Michael?
kept complaining she wanted to get her haircut. And then we went to China's and she would get a good haircut for cheaper there.
In China?
Yeah. And she goes
Okay, that
out-
was your first mistake.
It's a large country.
Yeah.
That was a mistake. And then she goes down the street with her sister, and then the first thing that happens, they're all walking on the street in the downtown area of the big city. And someone says, "I'll buy your hair for $20." And someone says, "No, I'm gonna get my hair anyway, okay." So she sells her hair. So the woman just takes the back of her head
real or
and goes like a
making
snip,
It's
and then left it in the front. So it
Are you
looks
serious? Is that real, Shangla? You sold your hair?
She could have gotten
Was it
a lot
good
of money for that
cause?
hair.
Is it- Oh, I know what they make black women's weaves and
Yes,
extensions
yes,
out of that.
yes.
You've made a black woman very
Very
happy.
happy.
Did you get the $20? Good move.